Hello friends, I am Dr. Sudeep. So in my channel, I will be dealing with this homeopathic practical aspects. That is to say, how to take the case, how to evaluate the case, and rubric formation, repertorization, and giving the proper medicine for proper indicated medicine for the patient on the individualistic basis. That is classical homeopathy. So I already done so much of videos about all these topics. So now I want to concentrate on the fine tuning of all those 5 points which we will using in our daily practice. So one of them is case taking. So here the fine tuning aspect what I wanted to talk today is, so we will be focusing on the unnecessary things. So that will make us failure in our prescription or failure in our diagnostic aspect and remedy giving aspect. So how to do exactly what the patient requires for his disease to make the disease cured. So I will be telling one example of a case which I cured in a span of 1 to 2 days. It was an acute case of around 3 years child coming with a history of 2 to 3 days of cough. There was no fever, but all the symptoms of pneumonia and pulmonary effusion was marked. They went to an allopathic physician where they got an advice to admit the child and take the treatment. So they were our regular patients, so they approached me. So with a history of 2 to 3 days of cough, cold and body pain, the child came to me. So with that, I asked what are the other symptoms what the child is presenting with. So in that child, there was a migrating pains. So the child was complaining of pains in the hands, pains in the legs, pains in the abdomen, pains in the head. So all the symptoms, all the pains were migrating. That is shifting of pains from abdomen to legs, legs to head, head to abdomen. So this regular shifting of pains guided me medicine. So with that, the child was very crying. So the child mood was very fluctuating. So on that basis, I gave one medicine which done miracles for the child. On that basis also, the child has another very important symptom the child presented was in the pneumonia. We usually see there is raised sounds in the auscultations. So here the right side of the lung was more affected. So this is one of the very important feature what we homeopathic consider. With that, the child was very the child was very anxious. The child was very mood changing. The child was in a crying mood. So the child was very much attached to the mother. So this all things guided me to give the exact medicine what it is looking like the pulsatilla child. So after giving pulsatilla, I followed this pulsatilla with bryonia so that in 2 days the child was totally relieved by all the pains and the cough was totally gone off and the respiratory distress and the pneumonic features of the child was suddenly came to normal and the child was started eating, sleeping well and started responding to our medicine very well and cured of total pneumonia or pulmonary effusion in just 2 to 3 days. So this is one of the thing what the homeopathic physicians look for, and they must be very confident in giving what exactly the child requires, what exactly the patient needed. In that condition, the repetition is one of the very important aspect what homeopathic physician must focus on. I gave a child pulsatilla of 5 to 6 doses, bryonia of 5 to 6 doses. In a what to say, like first I gave pulsatilla, then repeated with bryonia. So that first 1.5 day the child took pulsatilla, then followed with bryonia. How I gave pulsatilla and bryonia? So pulsatilla was the totality which was matching to the child, but with that the pace was of bryonia, and due to that reason I gave bryonia together with pulsatilla, so that the total case of the child was totally cured within 2 to 3 days of span. So it requires the homeopathic physician talent to observe the cyclical aspect of these remedies. So what is followed by which remedy, what is the relation of that remedy, which will be complementary, which will be follow-in, which will be antidote. So this all knowledge will help in our homeopathic practice. So today I told you how to take the case, how to fine tune the case taking, and how to find the medicine. With that I gave an example of a child. In the next session I will tell about the another case. I will bring the video recording of the case in future, friends. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. So I will be doing such a videos weekly. 2 or 3 videos I will be uploading in my channel, friends. Thank you. Take care, friends. Bye.